Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in the Winter Garden area. I'm going to show you this luxury home behind me. It's a 4-bedroom up to a 6-bedroom with 3 baths up to 4-bath home, depending on the floor plan layout that you choose, with 2,660 square feet. The base price as of today, which is July 14th, 2020, is going to be $513,995. So if you're interested in seeing this home, stay tuned for a full walkthrough of this specific home. So before we do the walkthrough, let's go ahead and look at the floor plan of this home. As soon as you come into the front entrance of the home, it opens up to the living area. So you have the stairs going upstairs to the left, and then you have the dining area, the great room, and the kitchen all together and combined into one. The primary bedroom is downstairs on this home, as you can see here, and then it has a nice sized walk-in closet and also bathroom. Now there are some options on this first floor, and the first one would be just to extend the master bedroom. So it actually adds about 4 feet to the length of the master bedroom. The second option would be to change out how the master bathroom is laid out. As you can see here, it changes things up. It also increases the size of the master bedroom just a little bit. And then also on the first floor, you have the option of adding a half bath over by the covered lanai. And that would be good, like if you were planning to build a pool later, that'd be a nice little option to think about. Now, as far as the second floor goes, you go up to the second floor, and then you have 3 bedrooms, a bedroom number 2, 3, and 4. And there's also 2 baths, but there's a bunch of different options up here. The first option would be to extend each of the bedrooms about 2 feet, as you can see here on this specific floor plan. Another option would be to add a 5th bedroom. So this is the original, the standard bedrooms, but they add the additional 5th bedroom over here. Another option is to add the 5th bedroom along with another full bath. So now you have 3 full baths upstairs. Another option is to make it a nice large bonus room up here as well. So you can have the 3 bedrooms and then also a really nice hangout area. And then the last option that's available is that you can add that 5th bedroom, and then you can also add a loft. So here we go, looking at this home here. Again, it's 2,660 square feet. We have a front little patio here, which is really nice. You can sit out here and enjoy the views here, which is a amazing day today. Right across from the reflection garden, this one is. So that's a pretty neat little feature of this community. So let's go ahead and go inside and show you. So as soon as we walk in, it's pretty much a big open space. When we come inside, the stairs go up. They do have 2 bedrooms up there. We have a half bath right here, as you can see. And then we have the dining room area, which is joined up to this family room area. This one's got some really nice ceiling inserts here as well, which would be an upgrade that you probably do after the fact. And then look at this kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen. This is a gas community, so we have the refrigerator and then the double or oven microwave, and then you also have the gas stovetop and the vent that goes out. Some beautiful countertops here as well. We have the laundry room over here, as you can see, and then that goes into the garage right there. And then if we go this direction, the primary bedroom is downstairs, so it'll be right here. Now, let me show you what we have out here. They have a little outdoor living area. It's a pretty large patio area out here. They have the outside kitchen, which is also an upgrade. They have this set up with like a little putting range out there, and there's some more sitting area on that direction too. So let's go this way. So here's the primary bedroom. As you can see, it has a king-size bed, plenty of space. And then I'll show you how the outside is here. Of course, this will be all things that you would do probably after the fact, but this gives you some ideas of what to do if you're looking at these videos for maybe things to do at your home. But if you are looking to buy, make sure you do give me a call.
And if you're watching this now, do me a huge favor, hit the like button on the YouTube, helps it with algorithms, and subscribe and hit the alerts as well. Definitely would appreciate that if you can do that. Here is the primary closet, and then check out this bathroom here. It's got some tile. You know, let me know what you think about the tile in the comments. Do you like the tile? Do you not like the tile? Do you like that the floor matches the tile in the shower? Like it, don't like it? You know, put the comments in. It'd be interesting to see what everyone's comments are. You have the two sinks, sink on both sides, which is something that I personally like, having the two separate areas. So that is the primary bedroom. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and show you the two bedrooms that are up there as well. And as we go there, I want to let you know that if you are looking to buy or sell anywhere in the Central Florida area, make sure you give me a call. My phone number is 407-487-3030. Text or call anytime, doesn't matter where you live. If you do text and I'm not there, I will pick up later. That is Sandy, she does all our photos. So she's got her mask on, help with this coronavirus that's going around. Hopefully that will be gone soon. So as we go up here, we have the loft section right here. And then we go this direction here. We do have a full bathroom here, as you can see. And then over here would be our other two bedrooms. So we have bedroom number 2 right here, which is set up like a little office area. And then we have bedroom number 3 set up right here. And then that has a little walk-in closet right there. So pretty nice. And I'll give you a view of this loft one more time. So if you are interested in seeing this, make sure you give me a call again. My name is Mike, broker associate, Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I give you all the updated pricing, let you know the base price is the same, give you ideas on what sort of upgrades to expect. And then also, if you're thinking about getting in real estate, interested in Central Florida, give me a call. I'll tell you all about Preferred Real Estate Brokers. In my opinion, the best brokerage here in Florida, but I have a biased opinion on that. And I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you watched it to the end, make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. And have a wonderful day, and hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.